Hello guys, today's video is gonna show you the tool can help you use multiple accounts to upload reel on Instagram. So you can see the screen. This is my tool that I currently using to manage and using multiple Instagram accounts. So first of all is the account management function. So in this function you can add and manage a limited Instagram account that you want. Okay, to upload reel you need to prepare content. So I will go to content management to make content about my reel. So this is my content that I just add, and you can choose the category, choose platform about Instagram or thread. You choose post type, you can choose article or comment, texting or share, and you will enter the post title and the content and upload the image or video with your content. Okay, and I will press it to save my content, and after having your content I will go to posting function, and here you can choose many options like about post Instagram, post reel, you can see post story, or you can see history of posting. So I will choose post reel, and in here I will select the account that I want to go to post, and after that I will set up the basic configurations. So first is a particular time the interaction. I will set from 10 to 20 seconds, and after that I will select content. The content about reel I just add in the content management. I will choose this and press save, and because I just choose one content and I will need allow duplicate content between action and account. After that, I can set a number of video each account will post, and you can choose option like about resize image, or you can choose add hashtag, or you can choose a position, or you can choose share to Facebook, or interaction after posting like article or comment to the article. Okay, after everything set up, I should need to press start and let the tool post the reel for me. Okay, so here you see on the screen the tool will auto open browser like this, and we'll go to the account and post the reel with the script that I just set it up in the tool. Okay, so basically I'll show you the tool can help you to use multiple accounts to posting video reel on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you need the tool or more information, you guys can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel to see more video about automation tool.